I'm with Mr. Ranganathan Balaji, President and CEO, Sona Comstar. What is the key takeaway from ACE Group exhibit area at IMTEX 2025?
See, this is not the first IMTEX I'm coming, and I've been coming here regularly. And every time I'm amazed by the way AceMicromatic as a group displays their new products, the variety and the scope of machine that they can build and deliver to customers like us. And this time also is the same thing. I'm amazed the kind of new machines that I have brought in, especially like power skiving and all those new kind of machines that by which AceMicromatic have demonstrated they are willing to collaborate with people to develop such machines. So I'm really impressed. And my key takeaway from this is Ace's capability to innovate and bring new technology machines.
Keeping into consideration your collaboration with AceMicromatic, they are the machine builders and you are the components and other many kind of component builders. Do you think that Indian industry, manufacturing industry, component manufacturing, automobile component manufacturing industry are looking at more and more advanced technical, advanced machines?
The automobile technology is evolving very fast. It's at a cusp where the technology is tilting to from the traditional kind of mobility to more connected and electric and these kind of new technologies that are coming into that requires more precise parts from people like us. Our customers expect that we make them components that meet these kind of requirements that are slowly coming in, but they're going to rapidly get into different vehicles very soon. And the way ACE is able to absorb these kind of things from us and try to bring in new machine tools, it's the way that we should go, and we should accelerate these kind of movements so that we are not left behind by other countries.
In the machine tool industry, very specifically, AceMicromatic, if you speak about 2007, 2008, machines which were manufactured here in India was a commodity product. Then we graduated to many other modern machines, and today we are standing with AI installed machines. What is your take on Industry 4.0?
Particularly, we are from the forging and precision machining industry. We have presses which were built several years back. So we collaborated with Amit team, which is AceMicromatic Intelligence Technology team, to build specific Industry 4.0 solutions by which we were able to connect the shop floor with the IT system. And it's one of the good demonstrations that we were able to do. And today, all our press and shop floor machines are connected, both from inventory point of view, quality data point of view, and also machine condition point of view.
To add on with, we also speak about the service part of it. When you become a collaborator industries together, there would be more and more machines, more and more technology is installed within the system. How do you take on the service provided by AceMicromatic or AceMicromatic Group?
See, we have no complaints at all. The way the kind of service that we have, because it's these kind of things are not readily available, especially Industry 4.0 solution. It is custom built, it is custom made for each individual. So there is a lot of give and take that requires to be done for developing such things. So the kind of service we had from ACE team is we regularly interacted to develop it. We proof of concept, after proof of concept, to put it in a model and then expand this model. And the ACE team was always there to support, to develop, and to deliver on time.
So there we go about Sona Comstar, their collaboration with ACE Group.